You ever have a late night craving for chicken salad? I did. So here's what happened. I ended up throwing some chicken straight from the freezer into my crock pot. I cooked that on high for 3.5 hours. Then I decided to go ahead and put my chicken salad together the next morning. So I'm chopping up my celery very fine. And then I grabbed some walnuts, chop those up fine. You can also use pecans or almonds. Either one will work. So then I grabbed my chicken that I had done in the crock pot the night before, chopped it up, make sure that your chunks are not too big, but also that they're not too small. And then I grabbed my walnuts, I threw them into a hot skillet, cooked that for about 2 minutes, and now it's time to assemble our salad. So we're going to put all of our chicken in. We're going to use spices. All of those are down below in the caption, as well as my celery, mayo, walnuts, and dried cranberries need that sweetness to break things up. So once everything is in the bowl together, just mix it up and make sure you give it a good taste. So even though this is typically how I make it and everything was, the same, it tasted a little off to me today. It needed more sweetness and it needed a little bit more creaminess. So I added just a little bit more to it, stirred it up, and it was perfect.